Good afternoon. Today we're going to learn about the phonetics in the English language based on the IPA chart, which is the International Phonetics Alphabet. My name is Javier, and let's get started. The monophthongs vowels. We have the E for sleep, the I for lip, the U for mood, the U for hood, the E for sled, the for listener. We have the for bird, the for floor, the A for bat. We have the for up, R for bar, O for bond. The diphthong vowels. We have the ear for ear, the A in may, the ur for cure, the oi for toy, the O for so, the A for airplane, the I for guy, the ow for now. Then we have the consonants. We have the P for please, the B for broke, T for tip, D for dip, F for face, V for video, the for think, the for this, the M for more, N for now, the ing for wing, H for helmet, the ch for chicken, the j for Jupiter, K for cord, S for soup, Z for zoo, sh for shell, the V for vision, the L for love, the R for row, D for go, W for where, the J sounds yes. Thank you so much. Appreciate your time.